Welcome to my channel Living Linux. I saw a post on Reddit that someone made a puzzle game to learn real RISC-V assembly. So it's for free and you can run it in your browser. So if you go to this website, then you can click on Run Game. And then we'll start with lesson 1. So it will show you what you have to do and also how you can do it. So we need to do load immediate, and we want to put it in register A0 with the value 42. And we have learned our first RISC-V assembly or assembler instruction. So let's go to the next system. So A0, the register or registry, no, register, already holds a number. Make it 10 larger, so that means leave the result in A0. So we want to add an integer, and the destination register is A0 because we have to leave the result in A0. And the number is already in the same register, which is A0. And we want to add 10. And well, you can see 4 cycles. Perhaps there is a way to do it in less cycles, I don't know. But they are trying to challenge that you do it in fewer instructions or fewer cycles, but perhaps with these first examples, yeah, there's not really much you can do. But I think this is like really interesting to see that you have like a environment where you can play around with RISC-V assembler. And yeah, if you want to know a little bit more about all the instructions, then here is a website with a cheat sheet. And well, I'm not going to go through all the instructions, but have a look at it at your own pace. And here's also something about the instruction terminology. So RD is like destination register, RS1 first source register, RS2 second source register. Yeah, I don't know how complicated things will get once you get further in the game. But yeah, I think this is a fun way to learn RISC-V assembler. And if you are interested in it and you want to start with something that is not too complicated, then have a look at this fun little game. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.